Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. In the series of learning Sri Krishna Manasa Puja, our previous class, we learnt about what is Panchopacharam and how are they correlated with Panchabhutas. And we completed Dhyana Slokam, the Slokam related to offering Gandham, Pushpam, Dhupam. In today's class, we learnt about Deepam, Naivedyam, and Kshamapanam, which means asking for forgiveness at the end of puja. So let us revise what we learned today. Vartirghritam vannirititrayanvitam. Vartirghritam vannirititrayanvitam. Shubham sada swachcha prakashamanam. Shubham sada swachcha prakashamanam. Vartirghritam vannirititrayanvitam. Shubham sada swachcha prakashamanam. Jyotirmayam mangalakarakam shubham. Jyotirmayam mangalakarakam shubham. Deepam cha krishnaya samarpayamyaham. Deepam cha krishnaya samarpayamyaham. Jyotirmayam mangalakarakam shubham. Deepam cha krishnaya samarpayamyaham. Swadvishtamathyuttamadivya Swadvishtamathyuttamadivya Mishtanamatyantamridum pavitrakam. Mishtanamatyantamridum pavitrakam. Swadvishtamathyuttamadivya Mishtanamatyantamridum pavitrakam. Naivedyakam gogritapakvamuttamam. Naivedyakam gogritapakvamuttamam. Tubhyam cha krishnaya samarpayamyaham. Tubhyam cha krishnaya samarpayamyaham. Naivedyakam gogritapakvamuttamam. Tubhyam cha krishnaya samarpayamyaham. Kshamapanam. This is to ask for forgiveness if we have made any mistakes during our prayers. Kayena vacha manasendriyairva. Kayena vacha manasendriyairva. Buddhyatmana va prakritisvabhavat. Buddhyatmana va prakritisvabhavat. Kayena vacha manasendriyairva. Buddhyatmana va prakritisvabhavat. Karomi yad yad sakalam parasmai. Karomi yad yad sakalam parasmai. नारायणायेति समर्पयामि नारायणायेति समर्पयामि करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With this, we are completing Krishna Manasa Pancha Upachara Puja. Hari Om.